we didn't get the move that I wanted to out of US 30 or either NAS 100. So I seen this gold buy. We're still in the uptrend. This last low didn't get broke. So we're about to just see how it goes. All right, y'all, we halfway through the trade now.
That's true.
All right, y'all, we almost at TP now. If you want to learn how to do these trades and how to find your own trades, make sure that you sign up for the mentorship. I have space for 7 more students. All right, and what you're seeing now is price has to come back and fill up this candle right here. So price should continue to move up and head towards our TP once this candle closes in the next 3 minutes. All right, guys, just like how I told you, price had came back down to fill up that candle. It's doing the same exact thing on this one. So we should be out this trade within the next 5 to 10 minutes. All right, y'all. So just like that, we hit another TP. If you want to learn how to do these trades, like I said, sign up for the mentorship. See y'all tomorrow if I get another opportunity tomorrow. Peace.